Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to sit down and share with you guys how I do my eyebrows using a soap. I've been doing many tutorials using a soap on my eyebrows and I've gotten several questions from you guys. So I wanted to sit down and just kind of go over why I'm using the soap and show you guys how I do the feathered or bushy brow. I don't know exactly what style I consider it because I think bushy and feathered kind of the same. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are pretty, well, they were thin, but they've been growing. I've been putting castor oil on my eyebrows and they've been growing really furry. So I bought this one on Amazon and I've been using it on my hair. I've been using it for a little over a month now and I've been applying it to my eyebrows and also my eyelashes. With my eyelashes, I haven't really noticed a difference because I'm always putting mascara and putting eyelash glue. So yeah, I don't notice a difference there. But with my eyebrows, it's definitely, they've just been getting fuller. I'll have this link down below for you guys if you guys are interested in trying this out. You guys can see that it has amazing reviews on Amazon. Click the link below in the description box. This is a really good size and I think it's only $13 or $15. So yeah. And then with the PEARS soap, you can find this at the Dollar Tree. I've just been having a difficult time finding more of these at the Dollar Tree. So like I was looking online like where can I find these, and Amazon had them, but it was like a big pack for like $13, $14 and I was not going to pay that. So I went over to Bed Bath & Beyond and they had this little box here and this one contains 3 of them and it's like for $4 or $5. I took a picture of it so that I can remember and I forgot the price, so I'll just have the picture inserted right over here so you guys can see the pricing. Losing my voice here. Anyway you guys, I'm going to teach you guys how I do my bushy eyebrows and just kind of like make them look fuller and more, not like more natural, but just like a full fluffy kind of brow. Let's go ahead and jump into a tutorial.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
In case you guys are wondering about the head wrap, I just like I mentioned, I've been using the castor oil. I've been leaving it on overnight and I just washed my hair out and I'm just kind of like, you know, have it in a little head wrap. With the castor oil, like the differences that I'm seeing is that my hair is just starting to feel more healthy, especially towards the ends. They're usually very dry and brittle. And I've been using it like twice a week. And let me tell you, I'm seeing a difference, like not in length necessarily, but my hair has been growing and I just feel like it feels thicker, which is the reason I wanted to get that, because like this side of my hair is like very thin and I just feel like more fullness. And yeah, anyway, back to the tutorial. So this soap here, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. This is also from the Dollar Tree, just like a little spray bottle with water. You can put like setting spray if you'd like, and I'm just putting like a tiny bit right in here. You guys see the water in there? I'll be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. So we're going to just go ahead and use the spoolie side of this. I'm just going in with the spoolie side into the bar of soap, as you guys can see, like that. And then just kind of take off the ends like that. You can definitely use the 24-hour brow setter, which works really great. But it just, you know, it's kind of pricey and you go through this a lot faster. Opposed to using a bar of soap, you kind of get a really good use out of them. And I have a pack of 3, which is going to last me quite a minute. So I'm going to just go into the eyebrows, and what I'm going to do is just brush my hair upwards. Just like that. And once you have them like sticking up the direction that you want them to, and you want them to be directed up, okay? Because that's like the whole point of like the bushy feathered eyebrows. So once they're like that, you're gonna flatten them out with your finger. hold your finger there if you have to, and they should look like this. You guys can compare both eyebrows. You want them to be dried down completely before you go in with your brow pencil to fill in any of the gaps and just to make them look more fuller. Because if you go in too soon and it's still not dry, it's just not going to apply as easily as it would when it's dry. And I really like the fact that they go pretty high up just to take away from the size of my forehead. I just really like that. I've tried another clear soap and the eyebrow hairs did not stay in place all day opposed to using this one. This one really holds them in place. The purpose of this style of eyebrows is just to make your eyebrows look like they're your eyebrows, okay? Because you're going to be able to see all of the little eyebrow hairs like this, and it's just going to make the illusion of them looking fuller. So now if your eyebrows are dried down, we already have the fullness right in this beginning part of the eyebrow. Like, we don't have to do very much to this area, but we want the same amount of fullness in this outer part because you guys can definitely see the difference right there. So we're just gonna add shape to what we already have on here and fill in the areas. This part right here really needs to connect to the rest of the eyebrow, so that's what we're gonna start doing. And go in very lightly with your pencil just to make sure that we have a very natural eyebrow. Okay, so there you go. We filled in that area, and now we're gonna start to follow the eyebrow hairs. Just follow your eyebrow hairs, okay? And in this area right here, I think I'm gonna just fill in a little bit more. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with this eyebrow right now. And then here we have the comparison of both eyebrows and what they're looking like right now. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and this one is really close to my skin color, so I'm going to use this one, and this one is in the color Medium 105N. So I'm going to go right underneath the eyebrow like that, and I'm just going to clean it up. I don't like it to be too creamy near the eyebrow here, so I just start to drag more of the concealer down here. Once you have the shape that you want, go in with a beauty sponge and then just blend out the rest of the concealer. Alrighty, so there you have your eyebrow. If you want to kind of go through the ends a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural and not so shaped, you can go in with the spoolie and just kind of like brush out the ends to remove some of that eyebrow pencil. Okay guys, and this is the completed eyebrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I'm gonna share with you guys the final look with both of my eyebrows on. But if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to comment them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Oh, hold on, let me just finish up the look and then... So I just did my makeup, and these are the eyebrows that we just did together. This look here will be here on my channel in my next video, hopefully. So make sure you guys are subscribed and also turn on post notifications so you are notified when I do have a new video here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!